spine moving, connecting with your breath. We're working on rotational movement from the hips, which is really important for the pelvic floor. Last time through here. Pull yourself, come forward. Nice breath in. Bring it back through towards center. And one more time, we're gonna grab that towel roll or your blanket. You can also roll up your yoga mat as well. And we're gonna take it and we're placing it right across our pelvis, coming down onto your stomach. And just gently turn your head to face one side. Those arms can be up overhead, they can be by your side, whatever feels comfortable. And let your head get nice and heavy. I'm just gonna keep mine up so you can hear me. But I want you to take gentle breaths in. Think of